Let's make the Mad Hatter roll. To start off, we want to crush our raw shrimp just enough to straighten it out before we fry it in oil. And once you're done with that, you want to make sure your oil is ready for frying. Once the oil is ready, coat your shrimp into flour, then a frying mix, and straight into the oil. And once you're done frying, start boiling water to get ready to boil another batch of shrimp. And once you hear the bubbles, drop your shrimp. And pay attention, we did not crush these. And once they're done boiling, take them out carefully because we're going to dice them. And once you're done, move the diced shrimp into a bowl. We're going to add mayo, Sriracha, soy sauce, sesame oil, and lastly some Masago. And carefully mix them together. Next, we're gonna cut our jalapeno. Just be careful and make sure you take out the seeds. Then lay one piece flat and carefully cut long slices. And before we start assembling our roll, we need to make sure we have sushi rice. Add some white rice into a bowl and make sure you add in white vinegar. And to make the roll itself, make sure you have seaweed paper and add the sushi rice on the top. Then turn it around, add your crab meat, or jalapenos, and the fried tempura shrimp. For the top of the roll, we're gonna need some avocados. And before you think that we should have done this before assembling the roll, just watch how we cut it and you'll understand. See? Just trust the process. And now before anything else, cover the roll with plastic wrap and secure the shape with your rolling mat. And before you take off the plastic wrap, go ahead and cut your roll into 8 pieces. Now you can finally take off the plastic wrap and plate your roll. Remember the little shrimp sauce that we made? We could finally put that on top of the avocado. And this last part is fully optional. We are adding green Tobiko on top. This is to give it a little more color, but it will barely make any difference to the taste. And that's it. This is how you make our Mad Hatter roll.